Jet planes in the night sky with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to see how I've done this Elsa makeup, then keep watching. And if you want to see how I've done the face paint, then I will leave a timestamp below to the point where I start doing that. Start off with, I primed my face and then I went in with my regular foundation mixed with some liquid highlighter and also some white foundation just to take my skin tone down a few notches. I then added concealer underneath my eyes and I added a translucent powder to my whole face. Then went into this purple shimmery eyeshadow and I added that on my lid and I just blended that out nicely, and I went in with a more pinky purple shade and put that in the crease. I then filled in my eyebrows and just neatened off the eyeshadow and added a black liner. Added a pink blusher to the cheeks, and I also used a pink lipstick for Elsa's lips as well. So added an icy blue highlighter to my cheekbones and along my nose as well, and in the corners of my eyes. I also added some false lashes, and that is the basic Elsa makeup finished. Then went into this blue split cake from the Line Split Cakes palette, and I started to create this princess crown shape. I guess I can't really explain how I did it. It's better to watch and have a practice yourself. But I'm using a 3/4 inch angled brush, and I'm also adding some glitter as I'm going along. Okay, and then I went into this white face paint, which is Diamond FX White. This is the white I normally use, but I did feel like it was almost a bit watery, and it's in a new container. I don't know if it's different or whether it was just me, but basically I just added swirls and teardrops to the design. Sponged on a snowflake stencil on my forehead, and I put one on each cheek as well. Then added dots to the design, and I used a new brush. This is called Major Brushes and it's a round number 4. It was the cheapest brush from the face painting shop and I wanted to try it out, but to be honest it's not that great. I also added some starburst to the design, and because my paint and brush were both new I couldn't figure out which one was causing me to not like how the white paint was going on. But anyway, I carried on with the design. I added more dots to just tie in the design together and sprinkled some more glitter on. I then went into my homemade bling and I put a bit of skin safe glue and then put on a bit of bling, and I also added some glitter. This is Moonshine Glitter by Eco Stardust. It's like silvery but has different colours in as well. So I applied some aloe vera gel and then popped that around the design as well. Okay guys, so this is the finished look with my Elsa makeup and face paint tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and also let me know if you'd like me to do one for Anna as well. Thanks for watching, bye!